Ready?
Oh yeah. What's up? It's Kat and Deb from Two Market Girls. If there's one thing you should know about us, it's that one of our favorite movies, food movies, is the movie
Movies in general.
Chef. If you haven't seen it, stop this video, go watch it.
We have a full podcast episode on it.
Listen to the podcast episode, come back, and join us as we make beignets. One of the staple recipes or foods.
There's like a lot in that movie,
It's
though.
such a good food movie. It's not vegan friendly.
No.
Like there's meat and all that stuff.
Definitely a lot of meat.
Yeah. So, fair warning. But it's so good.
Yeah. But so, Binging with Babish he does a lot of these food from movies videos, and he created a beignet recipe. So I thought we would just make it vegan and make beignets and pretend we're in Chef. Cafe Du Monde.
Oh yeah. And there's an episode.
Do we have to throw the batter into the oil? Because isn't that what they do?
No, we cannot.
No, yeah, we
I'm
cannot.
scared.
We cannot.
No. And there's an episode of the Chef Show where he makes this recipe with John and Roy.
Yes.
So you can see that too.
Yeah. There's so much chef to go around.
There's so much chef content.
Yes.
Why would you watch us? No, I'm just kidding. Don't go.
Also, Binging with Babish also makes the Cubano sandwich from Chef. Like makes a pasta aglio olio from Chef. There's a lot.
Yeah, we'll make a sandwich next, I think.
Yeah, I really want to, but it's finding the right
gotta find the
meat
meat.
substitute.
Ugh.
Yeah.
Okay, but for
But
now,
that's for another video.
we're gonna fry some dough.
Yeah,
As
so we're
we
just
do.
gonna make Binging with Babish's recipe. We'll leave it down below. Again, not vegan, but we're gonna make it vegan.
Yeah, but the only thing is the milk, isn't
Yeah,
it?
and we can easily veganize that. We got
We
milk.
just use not milk.
Yeah.
Not sponsored. That would have been good though.
Yeah.
Wow.
That would've
We're
been so
ready.
Okay, so it says here that we need to combine buttermilk with boiling milk. So why don't you get some milk on a pot and boil it up?
What's gonna happen to it?
And I'm gonna make some buttermilk.
Okay.
And by boiling, I feel like it just means as it just starts to bubble. Cause like you also don't want it to kill the yeast, right? So
Can I do it in this?
sure if you want to. Cause it's only,
Not a lot.
oh, it's only a quarter of a cup.
What the heck?
Cause we're cutting it in half.
Should we just microwave it?
Yeah, I think we should just microwave it.
Okay.
Okay, but I will do 3/4 of a cup of
I can't hear you.
buttermilk.
I can't hear you.
I can't hear you either.
Sorry.
Ah! Chaos. This is how they act in Chef, though, you know?
Very professional. Wow, this is like not even any milk.
Wow. But remember, there's also buttermilk in this recipe.
Yeah.
I think you're mixing the boiling milk with this milk because then once it mixes, it gets the perfect temperature to proof yeast.
Yeah, you know, it makes sense. It's just funny what a small quantity because we cut it in half.
Yeah.
It's our own fault, as usual.
Yeah.
Everything is our fault.
Yeah. Oh. And then just like dab your finger in it to see, because we want it pretty hot, I think, because he said boiling milk.
I mean, it feels pretty.
Boiling? I think it goes in a little bit longer.
But more than warm. Like, I would say hot, but not super hot.
I had to do it for 15 more
Not
seconds.
uncomfortably hot.
Oh my
it's
god, I
hot.
didn't cut the yeast in half.
Okay, you need to focus.
I'm just gonna dump it all back in and remeasure.
Like, all things considered, wait, I don't want to jinx it, but this isn't that complicated.
I mean, no, like it's like a donut dough and stuff like that. Most of this isn't that complicated. Like making a donut dough is not that complicated.
Yeah, so like, why are we such chaos?
Because that's who we are.
Look, it's steaming.
Yeah,
That
that's
seems pretty
definitely-
hot.
I
Careful,
think-
don't kill the. Now we're gonna kill the yeast.
Well, no, you gotta mix it into this.
Oh, and then it's
it'll
gonna.
cool it down.
You're right.
Okay, but let's get our sugar ready. We need 1 1/4 tablespoons of sugar.
1, 2. Why are you watching me?
Okay, cool. And now we're going to start by combining buttermilk and and boiling milk.
I just realized it's kind of been a while since we made someone else's recipe.
I did read this beforehand. Like, I don't know if this is recording before you say anything. I did read this.
Yeah, before you throw all the hate in the comments like you always do. No, just kidding. No one does that. You're all very nice.
Yeah. Okay, and then we add in, should we touch it? Oh my god, yeah, it's not
Touch it.
warm at all.
Oh, okay, is that bad?
I don't know.
Alright.
Touch it.
I put my whole hand in. No, it's not warm. It's not cold, but it's not warm.
Should we warm it up a bit? Or do we just go with it and follow the recipe? Let's just go with it, I guess. 1. And sugar! Stir to combine and set aside for 10 minutes.
Okay.
What's wrong? Nothing. I'm trying to math things. 11 ounces. What?
I was like, why are you going so slow? And then I remembered we're doing 11, not 22.
Oh.
What?
We
You didn't cut it in half?
That's okay. Okay.
That was the half.
And kosher salt, which we have.
Just half.
Mix to combine before adding milk and yeast. How is the milk and yeast doing?
It's looking normal.
Is it looking normal? Is it looking like it's bubbling at all?
It's bubbling slightly.
Okay, so it is activated. Make sure your dough hook is attached and mix for 3 to 4 minutes. You want the dough to be sticky. Okay, so we're gonna add.
Sticky dough. No, it's normal.
Ready?
Yeah, for the active. Look how alive it is.
Is that sarcasm?
No.
Look how alive it is.
Wow, it's like me in the morning.
Not something you should say on a vegan channel.
Oh no!
Okay, and then it says, make sure your dough is attached and mix for 3 to 4 minutes. It's very sticky.
It's sticky?
Yeah, it's sticky.
Okay. Seems
Okay,
safe.
now transfer the dough to a separate bowl, cover and let sit for an hour. Now it didn't say anything about greasing the dough.
Why does it have to be a separate bowl?
We don't have to do a separate bowl.
Okay, yeah, I was just wondering if there is science to that, but there's no way there's science to that, right?
This dough is very sticky.
It's definitely sticky.
You want the dough to be sticky. It is
Okay.
sticky.
It's sticking to the bowl, it's sticking to Catherine.
Okay, and
I'm
then-
not touching it.
Okay, so yeah, we just let it sit for an hour.
Just cover it?
Yeah.
You wanna see it? Here you go.
Sorry.
Can you see it? I don't know. Can you see it? It's dough.
I don't know. Can you see it?
It's dough.
I don't know. Can you see
It's
it?
dough.
Okay, it's not really clinging
We
like
have
it
sticky
should.
dough, but not sticky saran.
Okay. Oh yeah.
Perfect.
Jeez.
Oh, wow. See, that's what as soon as I started walking
It's because the
closer.
saran betrayed
Need
me.
help?
Okay, let's see. I want to try and get the saran as tight as possible. So can you pull the saran now that it's held on one side? Okay. So I want to lock in the air.
Lock it in.
Lock it in.
Lock it in.
Welcome to Two Market Girls. Lock it in.
11:11. Make a wish.
You got it?
Yeah.
All right, so 12-11.
I
Is that a liberal amount of flour?
I have no idea what's about to happen.
All right, you're gonna roll these out. Okay, I'll read the instructions too again. Transfer the never mind. Liberally flour your work surface. Done.
Did it.
And turn out your dough onto the flour.
Whoa, look at it.
It looks great. It's so sticky.
bubbly. Okay. Put
Turn
it
it
on
out onto the.
Is this supposed to be this sticky?
I mean, it said it's a sticky dough. Do
All
you want
right.
a bench scraper?
All
Get
right.
it out of the bowl with? Because that's also like a sourdough dough. Things like that, you know, happen. Here, you want this? There we go.
Let go. Let it go.
Okay, you need a thick. Jesus. Now, what does thick mean to you?
That seems
Thick.
thick, right?
Okay, so now it says roll it out to about 1/4 of an inch thick. Tell me if you need more flour. It's rolling out
It
nicely.
is actually. It's very light.
Yeah, beignets. They have a lot of air in it because they are really poofy.
True. Is this thin enough?
Yeah, it's about 1/4 of an inch thick, right?
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah. So yeah, so just trim off the edges and then, or just cut rectangles, up to you. Perfect! That was close, I got nervous. We can use these little scraps to fry later. Wow, you did such straight lines!
Yeah.
How did you do
I
that?
don't know.
Okay, now you make, it says just cut into smaller rectangles. It doesn't say what size.
Like how small, like this?
I mean, how big do you want a beignet to be? Like that maybe? Like almost like Pop-Tart sized?
Oh, okay.
Or
so like
smaller than Pop-Tart?
here.
Yeah, I think that makes sense. And then either cut that in 2 or 3.
3, I think, right?
Okay, go for it. I trust you.
And then like this.
Started from this side.
I don't know.
Perfect. These ones look great. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I've never had a beignet before.
Me neither. Ah! We won't even know if we did it right.
Ah! We'll see if it puffs up on its own anyway.
This is our test. Oh, it's popping real nice.
Oh, we're supposed to baste it. I didn't listen.
Wait, what? Baste it with. Oh.
Hold on. Baste. Feels chaotic.
Yeah, it looks
I'm usually
chaotic.
better at basting.
When do you flip it?
It says, I think it cooks on one side for 2 minutes, but we'll wait to see if it gets golden. But we can flip it and test it.
Ooh.
And then it's only supposed to be like 30 seconds on this side until it's golden. Does that look okay?
Wow,
Alright, did we just make our first beignet?
I think we did.
Wow, how little it is. It's so cute.
I love it. Who doesn't want a little bite-sized beignet? Oh, like literally with scissors.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh my god, I think that's cooked. That's fully cooked.
Wow, it looks like it's screaming.
Alright, I'm gonna start cooking the rest. Gotta baste, gotta baste. So bad at this. Ready?
Yeah, hit it. Oh, yeah.
We did it! Oh my goodness. That's it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, ready to try your first beignet?
Yeah.
Go for it. Pick one.
It's fun.
Oh my god, I was gonna pick that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No, it's okay.
Here, I'll need it too.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so. Okay, I have no idea how they're supposed to taste.
Is both of this chewy?
Right? The outside is a little chewy. That could very much be us. But it also is the recipe we use. I don't know if, like how it works. You use bread flour. And bread flour has a lot of gluten, so maybe that's how they're supposed to be. I like them. I just don't know how they're supposed to be.
It tastes good. It's just really chewy.
I think sugar has such a good flavor to it.
No.
There's sugar. I would eat these. But I really want to try a real one.
Yeah, now I really want to compare.
Someone who knows how to make them.
Like, that is surprising. Like, I'm getting a workout. Oh. It's just air. It is magic
Yeah.
that this works like this. What? There's some bites that are less chewy, right?
Yeah, I'm looking up about beignets.
How are they chewy? They fry up crispy, chewy, and golden brown.
So they're chewy. This is just what beignets are.
Oh.
Again, they're probably not, like, honestly, they're probably...
You don't think they're perfect?
No.
You don't think we aced it on our first try?
Yeah, no, actually I think we did.
I think we did.
They were really good though.
Mm-hmm.
They're just different.
Pretty easy.
Very easy. And they puff up. I was so worried they weren't going to puff up for whatever reason because, like, we were switching things to vegan, but, like, no, it worked so well.
That was the easiest dough I've ever rolled out.
Yeah.
Wow.
Okay.
In the comments,
Go ahead.
tell us your beignet history.
Yeah. Have you tried beignets?
Have you made them?
Have you made them? Should we go to New Orleans and actually try them?
And when you tried beignets, was it vegan or non-vegan? Because
Yes.
you could have tried them before you went vegan or
Yes.
something like that. Let us know.
This is the problem with trying new things vegan. Because you
don't
never
know.
know if that's how they're supposed to be.
You need a non-vegan person who has tried that thing.
Yeah.
But this was fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. Channeling chef.
We should make other recipes from movies.
Yes, list down below which food from movies we should. Because we've only done like two. Both chef.
Because we like
Have we
it!
done anything other than those two?
Maybe not.
Another one I considered doing was the chocolate cake from Matilda.
Oh, that's
I think
a
that would be
classic.
so fun to do. Oh, we also tried to make strata from the family stone.
Good times!
But yeah, the chocolate cake from Matilda's like on the list. Everything else from Chef is on the list. What else is on your list?
I can't remember any movies.
I also want to do like some testing out more Christina Tosi recipes.
Always.
It's not a movie, but you know.
Okay, we're just scrap it. Don't even bother commenting. We're just doing Christina Tosi recipes from now on.
And chef.
Just kidding. You can still comment.
You know, I've actually. Oh, and you. I mean, she hasn't done a video for it, but you've made the spaghetti and meatballs from Roy Choi.
That's true.
Ah! So the chef show also. We'll just go through every episode of the chef show.
We could.
Should we just make that a series? Go episode by episode, pick something.
Yeah. Would you like that?
If we recreate the chef show but vegan.
Okay. Let us know. Get some beignets. Fry some dough.
Yeah.
And
we'll leave the recipe down below too.
Yeah.
Binging with Babish.
See you
in the next one.
Make sure you comment, subscribe, share.
And see you in the next one.
Spread the joy.
See you in the next one. Do you want some beignets?